Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Qualis ignorota ripis aut per iuga quinti exercet Diana chorus, quam mille secutae incatque inc glomerantur orades. Illa paretram fert umero gradientque deas supereminet omnes, Latonae tacitum peremptant gaudia pectus. Like on the banks of the Eurotas, or through the peaks of Cynthus, Diana trains her choral dancers, which, here and there, having followed 1,000 Oreades, gather together. That goddess carries her quiver on her shoulder, and walking, she towers above all goddesses. Joys fill up the silent heart of Latona. So there are a couple things to discuss here regarding context, names, places, and also a couple things to address grammatically. So first we have qualis, clearly introducing a simile. And remember, before these lines it was talking about Queen Dido, so this is comparing Queen Dido to the goddess Diana. Diana is the Roman equivalent to the goddess Artemis, goddess of the moon, the hunt, and also chastity. So Diana has these choros, these choral dancers, these choral singers, these followers. So Diana trains these followers. And now up here we have some scenery, saying on the banks of the Eurotas, which is near Sparta, the Eurotas being a river, or through the peaks of Cynthus. Cynthus is a mountain on the island of Delos. Delos might sound familiar. It is the birthplace of Apollo and Diana. And we get another reference down here with Latona, because Latona is the mother, and she gave birth to Diana and Apollo on Delos, the island where Mount Cynthus is. So, Diana trains her chorus, which 1,000 Oreades, having followed here and there, gather together. Oreades is, they're mountain nymphs and like natural nymphs that follow Diana, like her followers, her entourage. That woman carries a quiver on her shoulder. Paretram, quiver. And then here we have probably an ablative of place, maybe ablative of means, by means of her shoulder she carries it. And remember, she's the goddess of the hunt, so this makes perfect sense. And walking, she towers above all goddesses. So that's pretty impressive. This is really speaking to how Diana has tons of followers, and she's living in the nature, she's beautiful, she's towering above all of her goddesses. And this is all comparing Diana to Dido, so this is just speaking to the magnificence of Queen Dido. Peremptant gaudia, so joys stretch out, or they fill up, the silent chest of Latona. Latona being the mother of Diana, so she's so proud to see her beautiful daughter being such a wonderful goddess. And let me see, is there any grammar to point out in here? Not too much. It's all pretty straightforward once you get the vocabulary and the context down. Yep, there you go.